Hi, everyone. I wanted to show you some of our graphics from our product failure cases. These are really great to use, especially in any kind of product failure case, personal injury case, construction case, trademark case, anytime you want to show the assembly of any kind of piece of equipment or material. You can also use them in commercial litigation cases, obviously. So here we have a video, it's an animation, and you can see the assembly of the product. And each piece is clearly labeled as it's assembled, which is nice. So you really get an idea of how the product is actually put together. One thing we always like to use in our animations are real-life pictures, and here you can see it's up against a ruler, so you can see the actual scale of the piece, or the screw in this case, or the bolt, of what you're assembling in the product. And then you can also see how, when it's put together, how it's able to work. And another nice addition that we like to add to our videos is this 360-degree view right when it turns. So you can see it from lots of different angles. And I think this is an advantage that animations might have over models or other kind of 3D models of products, because you can see exactly what it is you want the juror, the trier of fact, to be able to see about the product. And you can use these in any types of situations, whether that's for a mediation or an arbitration or trial. And I just think they're really, really useful. All of our artists that put these together have backgrounds in engineering and science, and we really want to find the right person to work with you and your team on these, especially with your expert, to make certain that this graphic or artwork is going to conform with their testimony. So here, let's just go back to a couple of our other cases. This was a product damage case, and this graphic was used as part of some other videos in a trial, and it was just showing the damage to a product when it was used and put in work improperly. And then we'll walk through another one. This was used in a personal injury case. So obviously you can make the person in the video customized to what your client looks like. And then we can see how they were using the product and how the product was ultimately damaged. And again, you have your real life pictures here, which is great to really bring home exactly what it is you're talking about. And then another nice addition that we're able to add to is the damage that the person sustained. So not only are you able to show how the product was improperly working, but also then how that resulted in the injury to your client. And here is a little bit different situation. These graphics were used in a PowerPoint rather than in a video. And I think these can be really useful, especially if it's a situation where you know you want to be able to control the receipt of information. And you may not want to have a video that starts and stops, especially if you're walking through the examination of your expert witness. You want to be able to point out things slowly and have the graphic kind of develop along with the testimony, which is nice. And again, here you can see that you can insert movement, you can insert some animation into your PowerPoint. So it's not as stagnant as a lot of people understand PowerPoint to be. And then here you can explain how the product was supposed to be working, the different stresses on the piece of equipment. And we work really heavily with your expert to make sure we put these together properly. And again, so these are some of our product failure cases. If you have any questions about these, my name is Amanda Moeller, and I would be happy to be a resource for you. So thank you very much.